Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 5G S938B/DS is a powerhouse of a smartphone that delivers an extraordinary user experience. With its sleek design and impressive build quality, it immediately stands out. The device feels premium in hand, with a glass and metal finish that is both aesthetic and durable. One of the most notable features is the vibrant 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED display. The colors are rich and vivid, making everything from streaming videos to scrolling through photos a visual delight. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth interactions, whether you're gaming or simply navigating through apps. The screen's brightness levels are exceptional, allowing for usability even in direct sunlight. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is equipped with a powerful processor that handles multitasking with ease. With 12GB of RAM, users can switch between apps seamlessly without any lag. The 256GB of internal storage offers ample space for all your applications, photos, and videos. Additionally, the dual SIM capability is a significant advantage for frequent travelers or those who prefer to keep personal and work numbers separate. The camera system is nothing short of impressive, featuring a quad-camera setup that includes a 200MP primary sensor, ensuring stunning photographs even in low-light conditions. The compatibility with 5G networks enhances the device's capabilities, allowing for fast download and streaming speeds, which is crucial in today's connected world. Battery life is another highlight. The 5000 mAh battery lasts well beyond a day of typical use, ensuring you can enjoy all the features without worrying about running out of power. Fast charging and wireless charging options add convenience. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 5G is an exceptional device that excels in almost every aspect. Its combination of design, performance, and advanced features makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking a top-tier smartphone experience. Whether for work, creativity, or entertainment, this device truly delivers.